It's absolutely real.
I heard it ain't Miss Johnson.
I heard it is Miss Johnson.
I heard that.
Look, your building's water heater has been broken for months. Without hot water, that guy can't shave, that guy can't shower, and I think that guy's dead.
I just have dry skin.
Oh, Mickey, you are so courageous. Yippee.
Oh, no, I just forgot some tools. Yeah, that's it, tools. Yeah, I just need this, and this, and these.
Ooh.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a boiler to fix. Hey, knock it off in there.
Oh, Mickey, you're my hero.
I told you I'd fix it.
That's great, because I have something else that needs fixing.